Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Losing your Yahoo Mail icon can be very frustrating. You need quick access to your messages every single day. Sometimes the app disappears from your home screen or desktop by mistake. This video explains exactly how to bring it back on mobile and computer. On an iPhone or Android, swipe to your app library. Type Yahoo Mail in the search bar. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Drag it back to your main screen. If the app was deleted, visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Download it again to see the icon return. On a computer, you can make a desktop shortcut. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Look at the address bar at the top. Click and hold the small lock icon next to the web address. Drag that icon directly onto your computer desktop. A new shortcut will appear instantly. If you use Google Chrome, click the three dots in the corner. Select More Tools and then click Create Shortcut. This puts the icon right on your desktop for easy clicking. You can also pin this shortcut to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Right-click the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. Now you have one-click access to your emails again. These simple steps work for almost every modern smartphone and computer. You do not need to be a tech expert to fix this common issue. Just follow these specific directions to restore your missing icon quickly today. Your Yahoo email app is now very easy to find and use once more.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.